So you want to make this the best year of your life, huh? Well, guess what? You in good luck, because you done found the right video, and I'm finna teach you. Yeah, this Mr. Years Old Jones Sr., man, the Memphis 10 minister, on behalf of Move Valley Faith Ministry. You can't vote from Tennessee. Give me some, give me some, give me some. The channel is based on faith, where everything here is taught and demonstrated by faith and seeing results because we move out in faith. Today's lesson is how to make this the best year of my life. Go ahead and get your notebook, get your pen ready, get ready to write this down. Step number 1, prioritize your life. What do I mean by prioritizing your life? You gotta find your purpose. You got to be focused on your purpose in life. You see what I'm saying? You gotta have a purpose. You gotta have a reason why you wake up. You gotta have a reason why you do the things you do. You gotta have a reason for living. You see what I'm saying? And if you don't know what your purpose is, then you can easily find your purpose. You know what I'm talking about? So the way that you find your purpose is, if it's something you've been dreaming about, something that you've been wanting to do for all of your life, you know what I'm saying? Feeling inside of your body, feeling inside of your heart, you know what I'm saying? In your mind, having repetitive thoughts of it, you know what I'm saying? And you just knowing that you want to do this but don't know how to do it, you know what I'm saying? That's your purpose. For me, how I found my purpose is through God, you know what I'm saying? How I found it through God is, you know, I prayed to Him, you know what I'm saying? Because I got tired after being in the streets doing what I do. So I came and asked Him, why did you have me to live? You see what I'm saying? And He has taught me through His word and showed me exactly what He wants me to do. You see what I'm saying? This is the reason why I'm making this video to you, because I found my purpose. He wants me to help you all enjoy the life that He designed for us to live. You know what I'm saying? Instead of doing the same things that everybody else do. This is going to be tailored to you. This right here is your purpose. You know, you don't have to live for nobody else. Live for yourself. Do what you want to do and do it righteously and have fun doing it. You got to be focused. And here's some ways how you can focus. All right, what you do is I want you to pick a quiet place where can't nobody disturb you. You know, you give yourself 10 minutes all the way to 30 minutes. It don't matter. Just make sure it's a period of time where can't nobody disturb you. You know, if you got family living with you or whatever, you know, just let them know during this time I'm about to take care of some business and I get back with you. So you find a quiet place where you can sit down and, I mean, really sit down. Don't have the TV on, don't have no distraction, don't have nothing on. And then after that, you're going to set the timer for whatever time you want to do it for. 10 minutes, like I say, you might want to do it for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever you do. You see what I'm saying? And then the next thing after that, once you do that, then you're going to close your eyes and you just want to meditate and focus on what you're trying to do. You're going to make sure you focus on your purpose. That's what you're going to do. And you're going to sit there and you're just going to just breathe in and breathe out. And do this until your timer goes off. When you do this, you're going to have a lot of ideas flow through your head. I mean, a whole lot of them. And once they do, then this is what you do next. You jot down these ideas that you got. And once you jot everything down, you're going to be having a lot of inspiration. You're going to be just writing. And once you write it down, after you do that, then you're going to look at it, then you're going to get some clarity on it. And how you're going to get some clarity on it, you're going to organize everything you wrote down, and you're going to turn them into goals, into steps, so you can get all of those things done. And once you get those things done, you're going to make you a schedule on making it happen. You're going to set the date, and you're going to set the time. You're going to hold yourself accountable for this. All right, step number 2. Overcoming all obstacles. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, I know all of us, we set New Year's resolutions, what we're going to do. You know what I'm saying? Just like this video, you just want to make this the best year of your life. We set these resolutions and we're going to do this and do that. But most of the time, we end up failing. And I'm going to show you why. The reason we end up failing is because we don't prepare ourselves for the worst. You got to eliminate all distractions. You got people that might come to you, want to mess up your plans because they hating on you. You know what I'm saying? Because they see something in you and they want to block it because it can't happen to them. And you have evil forces in this world that's just trying to come against you. Do not let distractions stop what you're doing. Do not let nothing get in your way. I don't care if you're sick. I don't care if somebody did something to you. You know what I'm saying? You still handle your business. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be a lot of people that's going to be hating on you. They're going to be jealous of you. They're going to do these things to try to stop you and try to hinder you. What you do is you're going to speak affirmations. Tell yourself that I am going to have the best year of my life. You're going to keep your mind focused and positive at all times. Hold the image of your goal. Get you a picture of your goal, and you're just going to hold that goal while you carry out your day. And I want to say this right here. If anybody is not part of your purpose, you got to let them go. You don't need to be around. You cut them off. It might be family members. It might be your best friend. If they do not serve your purpose and what you're doing, you gotta cut them off because this is your life. And if it's meant for them to be in your life, then it's gonna happen. I know it's distraction for some of you men, it might be women. You see what I'm saying? But you have to let them women go. The woman who's supposed to be in your life want to be part of your purpose. You see what I'm saying? Do not chase these women. Do not even think of no woman. Only focus on your purpose. And for the women out there, I know for you, it's shopping, gossiping, but really for y'all women, it's their phone. Let me tell you something. You have to let that phone go. And the third step is don't give up. I'm going to give you an example of this. Michael Jordan, for the Chicago Bulls, one of the greatest players of all time. He had a game that he was sick. He had the flu. He was sick as a dog. But he went out there and he knew he was about to die. And he ended up winning that game. He gave his all. I mean, you just got to persevere. Let people talk about you. Let people try to stop you. Let people say what they want to say. Let people do what they try to do. But guess what? You a warrior. You more than a conqueror. You can do all these things. You know what I'm saying? You already got the plan. You already got the blueprint. You done wrote it down. You already know exactly what to do when they come your way. You got it. Everything is on you. Don't give up. Just keep on running that race. Just keep on going. And what it's going to do is it's going to build your enhancement. It's going to help you to keep going and going and going. It's going to build your patience up. It's going to have you long-winded. You know what I'm saying? Because we're running a marathon here. You know, we ain't doing no sprint running. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to continue on just enjoying the progress. And you're going to see the results. You're going to see the trials and errors that you got going on. You're going to see the good part about it. All you got to do is just keep going. Just keep going. Even if you don't even see the end result, what you're trying to do, just keep going. It's on the way. It's on the way because you don't know which door is going to open up for you. So you just keep on persevering. You just keep on moving. Just keep on having faith. Just keep on going. Just keep on trucking. Don't let nobody stop you. I mean nothing. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up. Do not give up at all. Put that in your brain. Put that in your phone. Write it down. Put it inside your heart. Memorize it. Those 3 words. Don't give up. I did this. Everything I told y'all, I done been through it. This 7 years in the making right here. You see what I'm saying? I started off, you know what I'm saying, wanting to be a minister. You feel what I'm saying? Once I found out my purpose and everything, because I love encouraging people. I love teaching people. I love seeing people growing in life. You see what I'm saying? And I'd have been homeless, man. I was in my car all the way out in California, you know what I'm saying, writing down my ideas, what I want to do. But one thing I did, though, I stayed writing. You know what I'm saying? I had people laughing at me, talking about me because they knew I was just writing and writing and writing. But the Lord showed me this vision that it was going to happen. And then, lo and behold, it started happening. You see what I'm saying? Because, I'm at fault that I wanted everything at once. You see what I'm saying? I wanted it all at once. I wanted the right equipment. You know what I'm saying? I wanted the right money to get everything done. But instead of me just doing it now, you see what I'm saying? But what happened is that I was able to, take all that time, you know what I'm saying, and organize, get everything organized. It took me 7 years, but I'm finna save you some time, and it'll take you 7 minutes to do. You see what I'm saying? Everything is a test that you're going through, no matter what. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna persevere. You're gonna win. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna pass this test. I know you're going to pass this test, you know what I'm saying? Because you're a great student, you've been taking notes, and you listening and watching this video, you know what I'm saying? And me, I'm a great teacher, and I got your best interests at heart, and I want to see you, you know what I'm saying? I want to see you win, you know what I'm saying? I want to see you, you know what I'm saying, growing, you know what I'm saying, finding your purpose in life, making this the best year of your life, you know what I'm saying, so you can go and help others, you know what I'm saying, so you could be a testimony to somebody else. Each one teach one. You dig what I'm saying? Now, don't worry about nothing. Long as you apply everything that I done taught you, you know what I'm saying? Everything's going to happen. You're going to get moved in the right direction. You understand what I'm saying? The Lord is going to move all your haters out the way. You know what I'm saying? And he's also going to move you up. He's going to elevate you in your field of your purpose. All right, everybody repeat after me. Can't nobody stop me. Ain't nobody gonna block me. All they can do is sit back and watch. Thank you for watching and tuning in for this video. Like, subscribe to this channel, share this to somebody that might be a benefit to them. You know what I'm saying? And also, This Mr. Years Old Jones. Go.